In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and staff to your Shopify store. Whether you're running a bustling online business or just starting, knowing how to invite new team members to your platform is essential for collaboration and growth. Let's get started. First, let's log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. If you're new to this, the Admin dashboard is the heart of your Shopify store, where you can manage sales, products, and team access. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Clicking Settings will open up a range of options. We're interested in the Users and Permissions tab, so go ahead and select it. Now that you're in the Users and Permissions section, you'll see a list of current users who have access to your store. This is where you can add new staff members. To do this, proceed to click on the Add Staff button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. When you click this, a window will pop up asking you for the new staff member's details. You'll need to enter the new user's first name, last name, and email address. This information is crucial because Shopify will use the email address to send an invitation to the person you're adding. Make sure you double-check the email to avoid any mishaps in communication. Once you've filled in these details, you'll see a list of permissions set up just below. Permissions determine what each staff member can do once they're logged into the store. Consider carefully what responsibilities you want this new member to have. Do they need full access to everything like you, or just specific areas such as managing orders or adding products? You can select and deselect areas of access by checking or unchecking boxes next to each option. The goal here is to ensure each team member has just the right amount of access they need to carry out their duties effectively. After setting the permissions, you're ready to invite your new team member. Simply click the Send Invite button, which is typically at the bottom of this window. Shopify will email a link to your new staff member, guiding them through the steps to create their own Shopify login. Encourage them to check their email and follow these instructions so they can start helping you expand your business right away. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly add new users and staff to your Shopify store. This not only enhances your store's functionality but also fosters an environment where your team can thrive and help your business grow successfully. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify!